get started here. I gotta rig up a Texas rig real quick. But then, once I do that, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Oh, he is small. If this is a bluegill, I swear. Oh, it's not. He's just small. Well, I got my first fish on the stealth blade. It's pretty cool. Little guy, but we got a fish. Thank you, dude. I don't really want pond water in my mouth, man. Well, they're tiny, but first couple of fish on a chatterbait. Well, this chatterbait. I used to catch them all the time on the other chatterbaits. Something must be up with my graph. Let's see what we can do. Already. Oh, I think it's nice. Already. Don't jump. It's not giant, but it's a drop shot fish. Come on. Drop shot fish. Even I don't have any pliers. Drop shot fish. That's how I like catching them, is on the drop shot. That's my favorite way to catch. Been out for 2 hours and only caught 3 fish, and I caught this fish back to back. So that sucks, but I think that's it for today, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching, and I hope that those teeny tiny little fish gave you some kind of excitement. Probably didn't, but I will see y'all on the next one.